It is once again that time of year. Advent Code 2023 is about a week away, and I made a day 0 video last year, and I quite liked it, so I'm going to do it again to cover what Advent Code is if you have never heard of it, as well as tell you about how I plan to solve each problem and challenge, and also how my videos will be structured. Now, if you have never heard of Advent Code, as the name implies, it is a programming-based advent calendar, with each day having a new challenge to solve. The challenges and problems will start off relatively easy, being approachable to really anyone of any programming skill level, but will get progressively harder as they go. Now, it's not strictly linear, but day 1 will be much easier than day 20. Each challenge has 2 parts to it, each part giving you a gold star, with the goal of Advent Code to obtain all 50 gold stars. Now, in the past, I have solved the problems using Java, but this year I'm going to change up a bit and use TypeScript. Why TypeScript, you might ask? Well, I want to just change it up and I want to do a new language, but because I make videos out of this and try to explain, at least somewhat teach you guys, I had to pick a language I'm pretty comfortable with. For a long time that was Java, but in the past few years I've been doing more TypeScript, more React, and front-end based programming, so I've gotten pretty comfortable with TypeScript, so that is why I'm choosing it this year. Now, why TypeScript instead of JavaScript? Well, personal preference, I do prefer typed languages over non, but also because I plan to try and make some visualizations for the problems this year. I likely won't make a visualization for every day and they will not be a part of the videos, but as a demo to show you what I might probably do is using day 1 of 2022 as an example. So you can see here, I can go ahead and put my input in and enter it, and it'll kind of do a visualization. Obviously day 1 of last year is not a good example because it's not really a good visualization day, but as you can see, this is kind of the input stylized over here. Here is kind of the working steps, or in this case, the elves ordered, and then over here are the answers. Now, I haven't fully fleshed the system out yet. I don't know if I want to be able to show all the answers right away, or if I want to be able for users to put in their inputs, but I'll get there in the end. But this is kind of what I'm planning to do with at least some of the days when I feel like making a visualization for it. As far as videos go, they'll be pretty similar to past years, where I will do both parts first, and then go back and explain my solutions after. The explanations will be pretty high level, but I'll try and match it up with the difficulty of the problem and get in as much detail as I can. Each video I'll try to keep under 30 minutes, so if I solve it and it goes over that, I will try and cut out some of the less important bits of my solutions. So if there are cuts, that's why, but I will try and keep most of it unedited for you guys. I also have the timestamps below, so if you don't really care how I solved it, you just want to know my solution or see me explain my solution, you can skip ahead and I'll have it there. Visualizations may be included at the start of a video, but they're not really going to be the main focus of the videos, and I won't cover how I made these there. You can see all of the code for these and all my solutions on my GitHub like past years, so you can reference them and check that out if you want to. But that about covers it for how I plan to do this year's Advent Code. Hopefully you guys are excited as I am, and I look forward to solving this all with you guys. So thanks for watching. I'll see you guys all on day 1 very soon. Peace out.